So I have a foot massager here from CareSky Pro. This is something that we take around with us even to like hotel rooms. This thing is great if you had a long day and you've been walking. So you have a remote here, but you can also control it here as well. So you have a screen that tells you the status of it. So you have different modes here, mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. It does different things for your feet, whether it's going to be like massaging with like little balls on your feet or how it's going to compress your feet as well. So you can see it compressing right now, and you can also adjust the intensity of that. You can also put on heating if you want it a bit hot, warm up your feet. You can set it to go to sleep. You can have a timer on it as well. This thing's just gonna massage your feet and make them feel great again. Now, I say this is like a foot massager, but this is also a calf massager, and you can actually set this thing up. Handle here, perfect for carrying, but you can actually use this as a little bit of a stand, and then you can put your legs through here and get more of your calves and ankles, and it's just really comfortable. Just sit back and relax and just let it do its thing. It's really good quality, and it has a very strong compression and just really like the perfect little balls underneath it, just massaging your feet, massaging your legs. It's just great for that. It's a really cool machine, highly recommended, and thanks for watching.